My name is Alan Major, and I'm an SSP, which stands for Steam, Sprinkler, and Pipe Fitting.
How long have you been a student here at PTTI?
I've been a student for 6 months.
Oh, 6 months, so you're almost done. You're about to graduate.
Yes.
So in those 6 months, how do you feel like you've progressed and grown over this experience?
Oh, in 6 months, I feel like I learned a lot about the career. It's a beautiful trade. It has a lot of different branches that you can branch off from. You can either do threading, you can do pipe fitting, or you can also do welding. So it gives me a lot of options in the field.
So where do you think you want to go from here post-graduation?
Well, right now I'm looking at 4 different local unions. One is iron. There's a couple other ones, but ultimately I want to become a pipe fitter on my own and own my own business.
So would you recommend PTTI to any of your friends or family?
Oh, I would definitely recommend friends, family, and even strangers. If they want to start a trade and they want a skill that they can have for the rest of their lives, I recommend you to come to PTTI.